In this video, I'll show you how to set who can see your phone number on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, for you to be able to set this, what we're going to do right now, click on this, right? Click on the settings, click on the privacy and security. Wait for it to load up, right? So once it has opened up, from here you can see who can see your phone number on Telegram, right? Who can see your phone number. You can decide to put the nobody, you can decide to put your contact, you can decide to put everyone. Everyone can see your phone number if they want. So I think the most preferred is nobody for me. So who can find me by my number? Everybody. So this is what we're gonna work on. Who can see my phone number? So you can set who can see your phone number from this option. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.